Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a wrongly sent email from Outlook. We've all been there. You hit send and immediately realize you've made a mistake, whether it's the wrong recipient, a typo, or an attachment you forgot to include. Fortunately, Outlook has a recall feature that can help you fix this as long as the email hasn't been read yet. Let's walk through how to use it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait a moment for all your emails to load in. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection and how many emails you have, so just be patient while everything syncs up. Once your email has fully loaded, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see a list of your folders including Inbox, Drafts, and Sent Items. Click on Sent Items to view all the emails you've previously sent. Now scroll through and locate the email you wrongly sent. When you find it, double-click on it to open it in a new window. This step is important because you need the email open in its own window to access the recall feature. With the sent email now open, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list of options, click on Recall this message. This is the key feature that allows you to attempt to remove the email from the recipient's inbox. A small recall message window will now appear on your screen. You'll see a couple of options here, but what you want to do is toggle the option that says Delete Unread Copies of this message. Once you've selected that, click on OK to confirm your recall request. Outlook will now attempt to delete the email from the recipient's inbox. Now, here's something really important to understand. This recall feature can only work if the email is still unread. If the recipient has already opened and read the email, there's no way of removing it or preventing them from seeing the content. The recall function is essentially a race against time, so the sooner you act, the better your chances of successfully deleting that wrongly sent email. And that's it. You've now attempted to recall your email from Outlook. Just remember, this feature works best when you catch your mistake quickly before the recipient has a chance to open the message. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.